In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create segment in Omnisend. We'll start from the very beginning so you can follow along easily. Open your browser and search for Omnisend. In the results, click the official Omnisend website and make sure the URL looks correct so you know you're in the right place. Once you're on the home page, click Login and sign into your account. If you're using multiple stores or workspaces, ensure you're in the correct one before moving on. From your dashboard, head to the Audience section. This is where all your contacts live and where segmentation happens. Inside Audience, select Segments. Segments help you group contacts based on shared behaviors or attributes so you can send more targeted messages and automate smarter workflows. Next, click the Create Segment button. You'll see 3 ways to build your segment. Create from scratch lets you define everything yourself using filters, perfect if you have a very specific profile in mind. Pre-built segments are ready-made templates for common goals, like lapsed email subscribers or high-value subscribers. These save time and are great starting points you can customize. The AI Segment Builder lets you describe your audience in plain English, such as customers who ordered more than once, and it will generate filters automatically, which you can still tweak. After choosing your method, click Add Filter to define your criteria. You can combine as many filters as you need. Common options include shopping behavior, like placed an order, viewed a product, or abandoned a cart, which helps you target by intent and purchase activity. Engagement filters focus on actions such as opened or clicked an email within a certain time frame, useful for reactivation or VIP engagement. Contact properties include details like tags, country, or subscription status, allowing you to align segments with compliance and personalization needs. As you add filters, pay attention to the logic. Use, and when contacts must meet all conditions at the same time, which narrows your audience. Use OR when contacts can meet any of the conditions, which broadens your audience. A helpful tip is to think about your campaign goal first, then choose AND or OR to match how exclusive or inclusive you want the group to be. When your criteria look right, click Save and Show Contacts to preview the results. This lets you verify that the right people are included. Finally, give your segment a clear internal name, something descriptive you and your team will understand later, and click Save. Your segment is now ready to use in campaigns and automations.